Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by verifying essentials so you won't stop mid-task. Make sure iOS is up to date and Face ID or Touch ID plus a passcode are active. This lets the lock screen app integrate securely. Once done, open the app and accept permissions for notifications, widgets, and camera access so those features work. You'll see a gallery of templates. Tap one to begin editing. This immediate setup step prevents permission errors later and speeds customization. You now configure the core elements. Choose a template and add widgets, clock, weather, calendar, so the most used info is visible at a glance. This reduces taps later. Then arrange layers. Move background, place widgets, and tweak opacity for contrast and readability. Once widgets are set, assign shortcuts for camera or maps with a long press or swipe gesture so common actions launch instantly. As you work, preview with the lock simulation. To confirm space, you finish by saving and testing the result on your real lock screen. This shows true alignment and accessibility. Make sure to set focus schedules if you want different screens during work or sleep so the phone switches automatically. Once satisfied, lock the phone and test each shortcut and widget. If something doesn't show or update, check app permissions in settings, restart the phone, and, if it persists, reinstall the lock screen app. That sequence resolves most display or permission issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.